feathers are shared. Might also out a barking call.
So yes, if you remain silent, the animal will come very close to you, so please remain silent. Silent. You make noise, the animal will run away. So everybody on board, remember you need to have a keen eyesight, open your eyes wide open. Because the creatures of the night live to hide in the shadow. So keep looking, keep searching. On your left extreme to the corner, we have the short, small deer, dark brown deer. That is called barking deer. The deer that can bark.
We leave the foothills behind and wade through the marsh. You can't miss our striking greater flamingos. Flamingos feed without ever looking at the food. With their head upside down, they take in mouthfuls of water and strain tiny organisms from the water using their specialized beaks. Take a deep breath, everyone. Got a whiff of that? That must be very, very hungry now. Over to our left, we have 3 deer species grazing in the shadows. They are thumbin, the hawk deer, and barking deer. Males lions, unlike their African cousins, Asian lions do not form.
Remember no flesh, remember no flesh.
Typically comprises 1 or 2 males, 2 to 3 females, and several young. Lions rely heavily on tactical hunting approaches, for they lack the speed of cheetahs and the stealth of leopards. Lions have to work as a team to bring down larger prey such as buffaloes. Asiatic lions used to be found across India and the Middle East, but the natural habitat is disappearing. Now they are restricted to a very tiny area of India, in the northwestern part of the country, in Gujarat. The few that remain in the wild today are found in a wildlife preserve in the Gir Forest Sanctuary. They currently exist in the...
And on your right side, ladies and gentlemen, you have the antelope bongo, B-O-G-R bongo, Chinese called lingyang.
You peer down the left, you'll be able to catch sight of the Cape buffalo.
Buffalo on your left. The rhinoceros on your left. Look.
The rhino, it can weigh over 3 tons. Observe the bumpy texture of the animal's skin and its distinct folds.
Not to worry, we have 2 rhino. There's another one in front. Look.
While it may look tough, rhino skin is in fact very sensitive. Rhinos do not sweat, like you and I, which is why they are often found near water bodies. Wallowing in the mud helps them keep cool. With only 200 individuals left in the wild at the start of the 20th century, Indian rhinos in the herd.
Wow, big herd of Cape buffalo on the left side. Actually, we have more than this. The rest at the back in the shadow. Welcome to watching the shadow. So you have the Cape buffalo on your left.
Here on our left, we have our massive from trees to eat and more. Sadly, these tusks also make wild elephants targets for the illegal ivory trade. Besides poaching and habitat loss, Asian elephants in the wild also face the ever-present threat of conflict with humans.
Okay, there was the young one. This hippopotamus that can weigh 3,000 kilograms and it moves in the water by tiptoeing along the riverbed just like ballerina.
Is complete without a walk through the forest on the well-marked, easy-to-follow trails. Other elusive nocturnal animals such as the Malayan tiger, pangolin and babirusa can only be seen on foot. You may want to explore the leopard trail, East Lodge trail, wallaby trail and the fishing.
Alright, look on your right, something moving. I'm not talking about human being. No. Up the slope, look at it. Can you spot the creatures? Side by side forming like a rock over there at the corner. That is called babirusa. Babirusa is a kind of pig from Indonesia. Babirusa on your right. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, very, very challenging to spot the animal in the dark forest. You need to have a keen eye, open your eyes wide.
Are his impressive tusks.
Right now, the family will now be complete without a daddy on your right named Chawang, and right now Chawang, he is 41 years old. 41 years old. And average lifespan for the Asian elephant in captivity is 48 years old. It has a very impressive white tusk that can measure 1.8 meter long. But every Chawang right now weighing at 4,500 kilograms, 4.5 tons. Massive, mighty Chawang. Wow, super getting elephant on your right side, simply amazing.
African lions are much larger when compared to the Asiatic lions. The role of the male is to protect the territory so the females can hunt in peace. After the hunt, the males will have his fill first, followed by the females, and lastly, the cubs.
So we have the male lion named Shifu, 13 years old, 13, very young, 13 years old, on your right.
Of Singapore, legend tells of Prince Sangila Utama, who named this city Singapura, or Lion City, because he saw a lion when he first landed on the island. There's just one problem with that story. Lions aren't native to Singapore. Maybe the prince saw a strange, unknown animal and assumed it was a lion. What he really saw remains a tantalizing mystery.
Oh, yes, your beautiful white African lion on your right side named Shifu. By the way, why do lion roar? The lion roar to mark its territory and to refrain other lions to stay away. That's why the lion roar. And average lifespan for the white African lion in captivity is only 25 years.
Successfully bred this charismatic species to help preserve its global population under a human.
Okay, so very lucky to be able to spot 2 million tapir. We have the mother and baby tapir. Baby tapir named Bayu, B-A-Y-U, Bayu, 9 months old, adorable. By the way, you know the tapir, the herbivore, feeding on plant material, feeding on leaves. Chinese called Malay Mo for Chinese, Malay Baku, Baku for Japanese, Malay Pandri for Tamil. Right guys, you're very lucky. We have another tapir waiting for you towards your left side. We have a very close to the tram. We have another tapir on your left, black and white.
To your right.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, consider yourself to be very, very lucky indeed. Black and white, The tapir. That's right, guys. You need to have a keen eye. Open your eyes wide open. Continue to do so. All right. Because right now we are in a mission. The mission is called the mission of impossible to possible. Because coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to enter to a very dark area. It is called the dark zone of the night safari. Ladies and gentlemen, activate your keen eyes, open your eyes wide open. Why? Because it is about time to meet your favorite big, gentle giants. When I said giant, meaning we are about to meet a very big animals. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, activate your keen eyesight and listen to my instructions. Everybody on board, please focus only on your right side. Do not focus.
Entire ecosystem.
Wow, beautiful Samba, the boobs are left and right. So the one with the antlers, the male, the one without is female. This is how you differentiate male and female in the world of deer called Samba deer. Samba Lu for Chinese, Samba Shika for Japanese, Samba Man for them, Samba Hiran for English, Samba Rusa for Malay, Sasam for Korean. Oh, so many Samba tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, it is very dark. Why is so dark over here? Because right now in the middle of real tropical rainforest, actively your canines are open your eyes wide open. Japanese called millionth. Everybody, please focus on your left. Hidari. We have another creature of the night looking around. Everybody look on your left, please. Get ready, stand by. On your left. On your left. Do you see what I see?
Looks like we have something familiar here on our left. Do you recall them? Yes, this is our second pack of red does. Similar to dogs, they greet one another by wagging their tail. Red does live in closely knit packs and spend most of their time playing, hunting, and caring for one another.
Alright guys, these are not foxes, these are red doe, the Asiatic wild dog, the dog that cannot bark but can whistle, so they call the whistling hunters. Alright guys, remember earlier we met the deer that can bark like a dog. Over here we have the dog that cannot bark but can whistle. Simply remarkable in the world of animal night safari. So Chinese call Yacho Lego for Chinese, Ashari Jagri Kutta for any, Doro Aga Wo Kami for Japanese, Onai for Tema, Anjing Asya for only, that's the radio for you, a learning journey to everybody on board.